Geography, Chapter 12, Southern Europe, Section 1, Physical Geography. Index. One. Physical features. Landforms. The Iberian Peninsula, the Italian Peninsula, and the Balkan Peninsula form the region of Southern Europe. Southern Europe is also known as Mediterranean Europe. The countries of Southern Europe have long coastlines on the Mediterranean Sea and share many common physical features. The mountains of Southern Europe form large mountain ranges. On the Iberian Peninsula, the Pyrenees form a boundary between Spain and France. Italy's major ranges are the Apennines, which are along the whole peninsula, and the Alps, which extend across Central Europe. The Pindus Mountains cover much of Greece. Southern Europe has larger islands formed by undersea mountains. These include Crete, which is south of Greece, Sicily at the southern tip of Italy, and many others. Water features. Since Southern Europe is mostly peninsulas and islands, water is central in the region's geography. The largest body of water is the Mediterranean, but Adriatic, Aegean, and Ionian seas are also important to the region. These seas have given people food and a relatively easy way to travel around the region. Few rivers run through Southern Europe. The region's longest river is the Tagus, which flows across the Iberian Peninsula. In northern Italy, the Po River flows through one of Southern Europe's most fertile and densely populated areas. 2. Climate and resources. Mediterranean climate. The type of climate found across Southern Europe is called a Mediterranean climate. The mild climate is ideal for growing a variety of crops, from citrus fruits and grapes to olives and wheat. Many tourists come to the region each year by its climate. The Mediterranean Sea. The sea is an important resource because many of the region's largest cities are ports, which ship goods all over the world. The nearby seas are full of fish, which provide fishing industries. 3. Key terms and places. 1. Mediterranean Sea, a sea between Europe and Africa. 2. Pyrenees, a high mountain range between Spain and France. 3. Apennines, the major mountain range on the Italian peninsula. 4. Alps, a great mountain system in Central Europe. 5. Mediterranean climate, the type of climate found across Southern Europe. It features warm and sunny summer days, mild evenings, and cooler rainy winters. 4. Assessment. Section 1. Assessment, reviewing ideas, terms, and places. 1. A. Recall. Which three peninsulas are in Southern Europe? The Iberian Peninsula, the Italian Peninsula, and the Balkan Peninsula. B. Explain. Why is the sea important to Southern Europe? Because the seas have given the people of Southern Europe food and a relatively easy way to travel around the region. C. Elaborate. Why do you think most people in Southern Europe live on coastal plains or in river valleys? Because there, people can use rivers for transportation and for agriculture, which is a source for food. 2. A. Describe. What is the Mediterranean climate like? Warm, sunny days and mild nights for most of the year. B. Generalize. How is climate an important resource for the region? Millions of tourists are drawn to the region by its climate. Critical thinking. 3. Finding main ideas. Draw a diagram like the one shown here. In the left oval, use your notes to explain how landforms affect life in Southern Europe. In the right oval, explain how climate affects its life in the region. Landforms. Because much of the land is rough, farming and travel are a challenge. Climate. The Mediterranean climate is ideal for growing a variety of crops. Focus on writing. 4. Describing the setting. Your news report will be about an imaginary event someplace in Southern Europe. That event might happen on a beach, in the mountains, or on a farm. Write some ideas in your notebook. There are three important mountain ranges: the Pyrenees, the Apennines, and the Alps. 5. Conclusion. Other than the Balkans, the Iberian and the Italian peninsulas form southern Europe. Much of the land in southern Europe is rock. The Pyrenees, which separate Spain from France, the Apennines, which runs through the Italian peninsula, and the Alps, which is across Central Europe, are Europe's highest mountains. Southern Europe, there are large islands formed by undersea mountains. These include Crete, which is southern of Greece, and Sicily, which is at the southern tip of Italy. 6. Bibliography. 7. Recipes.